Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knockout Tips. This is Krishna and I am here to help you learn new as well as interesting tips and tricks through my videos. So without taking too much of your time, let's have a look at what you are going to learn today. After watching this video, you will be able to create a customized drop-down list, change the position of cells, rows and columns as you want, merge any number of rows in just one click, use bullet formatting trick to present data in a smart way. Last but not least, if you want to hide some information from Excel data without deleting data or cell, a row or column, then after watching this video, you will be able to hide whichever data you want to hide. So don't skip this video. This is student table and year column is left blank and we have year list here. So what to do if you want these details to be presented in these cells in the form of drop down list? For that we have to simply select the cells first, then click on data, then data validation, and under validation criteria select list, and under source select the source range and hit enter, then click on OK. And as you can see, we have drop down list created for these cells and you can select the year from the drop down list easily. In this table, what to do if you want some data to move from one place to another? The popular answer is cut paste technique, but there is more easy way to do that. Simply select the required cells, place mouse on green border, and as you see 4 arrow, hold the left mouse button and drag it to the required place where you want to move those data. Now what to do if you want to move rows or columns? Yeah, you can use popular cut paste technique, and the technique I just showed you for cells, it applies to rows and columns as well. But what to do if we want to change position of column or rows? For that, let's say we want stream column to be placed after the year column. So we have to select the stream column, then hold shift button on keyboard, then place mouse on green border, and as you see 4 arrow, hold the left mouse button and drag it to the required position. That's it. We can do this for rows as well. Let's say we want student ID 1001 row to be placed after 1003 row. For that, we have to select the student ID 1001 row, then hold the shift button on keyboard, then place mouse on green border, and as you see 4 arrow, hold the left mouse button and drag it to the required position. See, it's done. Here we have long type data which is appearing in more than one cell, and we want to merge these 4 cells for all the long type data. If you merge this data individually, then it will be time consuming if data is vast. So what to do if you want to merge cells of any number of rows in just one click? So for that we have to select the cells first, then click on down arrow just beside the merge and center and click on merge across. That's it. See, we are able to merge all the data at the same time. Here we have long type data and we want to add bullets as prefix to these data as we do in Microsoft Word. So for that we have to select the symbol first by selecting different cell, then click on insert, then click on symbol, then choose the required symbol, then click on insert, then close the window. Now select the symbol, press Ctrl+C to copy the symbol, then select the cells to apply bullet formatting, then right click, then click on format cells, then click on custom, then paste the symbol here and keep one space after symbol and type @ and press OK. See, we are able to add bullet to the required data. In this table, what to do if you want to hide some information from table without deleting data or cell or row or column. For that, let's say we want to hide date of birth data and show it as blank. For that, we have to select the cells first, then right click, then click on format cells, then click on custom, Then type semicolon 3 times and press OK. See, we are able to hide information without deleting it. I hope you like the 5 ultimate tricks I showed you in this video, and these tricks will be really helpful for you in your day-to-day work, be it your work from home, your personal job, or your professional work. So for more unique tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.